there, I just saw 5109 Rangeview here in Highland Park. Great location. It's close to walk to York and all the happenings there, but it also feels really quiet in its own little retreat. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,062 square feet. The lot's about 5,200 square feet. I love that there's a lot of vintage details, but it's updated for modern conveniences. Really sweet home, listed for $790,000 with Deirdre Salomone of the L34 Group. All right, off to the next one. Hi there, I just saw 1856 North Avenue 52. Really cute 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Really love the layout. It feels bigger than it is. It's 907 square feet. Huge lot, 8,550 square feet. Huge backyard. I love that the garage was converted to a granny flat. Really big, really nice bathroom back there. This home has a lot to offer. It's listed for $899 with Micah Campbell of Sotheby's. Let me know if you or anybody you know is looking for a home in Highland Park and if they would like to see either one of these. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.